Are you ready to take your social media marketing to the next level? If so, paid social media marketing might be the solution you've been looking for. But before you dive in, there are a few essential tips you should know for success. Firstly, it's crucial to understand your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What platforms do they use? Knowing your audience will help you tailor your ads and content to their needs and preferences. Next, determine which social media platforms are most relevant to your business. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, each platform attracts different demographics and has unique advertising options. Choose wisely to reach the right audience effectively. Data is your best friend in paid social media marketing. Regularly analyze your campaign's performance, including click-through rates, conversions, and engagement. This data will guide your decisions and help you optimize your ads for better results. Furthermore, make use of ad manager platforms provided by social media networks. These tools allow you to set budgets, target specific demographics, and track your campaign's progress. Familiarize yourself with these platforms to maximize your advertising efforts. Remember, paid social media marketing is not just about reaching more people, it's about engaging them too. Craft compelling ad copy and captivating visuals to capture your audience's attention. Encourage interaction through comments, likes, and sharing. Lastly, monitor and respond to feedback and comments from your audience. Show them that you value their opinions and are open to communication. Building trust and fostering relationships will enhance your brand's reputation and loyalty. So, before you begin your paid social media marketing journey, remember to understand your audience, choose the right platforms, analyze data, utilize ad manager platforms, create engaging content, and foster meaningful connections with your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks.